Hi, in this video, I explain how to use Comparator, which is an interface we use to customize the comparison of objects. Let's look at this example. We have a set of strings and we want to sort them. Yes, we can do that. And all that we need to do is use arrays dot sort. And it takes an array and it sorts it. But right now, it is going to sort it according to the natural order, also known as the dictionary order. So let's go run this, and you can see this is the natural order. This is how the strings are compared. And now I want to change the order. I don't want to sort it in the natural order. I want to sort them by length. Yes, we can do that. For that, we need to implement comparator interface. This interface is containing only one method, that is compare method. It is coming from java.util. So I'm implementing it using a class. Well, you can give any name you like. And it has only one method, that is compare, and I'm implementing it. Now all that I want to do is I want to take the length of the strings and subtract the second string's length from first string. And what we get is 0 if both lengths are equal, greater than 0 if first string is bigger than second in terms of length, and less than 0 otherwise. So that is what I want to do. Now let's go and use this with arrays.sort, give names, and then create an object of length compare, because this is the class that is implementing comparator, because the second parameter is comparator. So you have to give an object of a class implementing comparator interface. And also don't forget to give what is the type of object you want to compare. You must give that. Then the same type of object is passed as parameter here. This is what you get. Now let's go ahead and run this and see the order is quite different. Now it's all by the length, not by the characters. So had it been characters, this would have been somewhere here, but now it is right at the top. That's it. This is all that you need to do to change the default order. Now, I don't need to do all this. From Java 8, we have a fascinating feature called Lambda. So I can simplify the whole thing by using Lambda expression, because comparator is a functional interface. A functional interface can be implemented using Lambda. So let's go and do this. I say sort names, but this time I say string s1, string s2, and then the Lambda, and I say the same thing. The length of first one minus the length of second one. That's it. So I can achieve whatever I'm achieving through this with the help of a simple lambda. Now let's go save this, run this, we get the same result. And if you want, you can even drop this data type there, because Java is smart enough to understand what is the type of parameters, because it knows this is a collection of strings. So even this does exactly the same. So that is the power of comparator. It's not just for strings. You can use this to define the order in which custom classes created by us, are compared. So this is about comparator. Hope you found this useful. In case if you are new to lambda expressions, please check out my video on lambda expressions. So thanks for watching. Keep coding.